Are bugs partying on your eyelashes? Yes. Hi, I'm Amy, creator of Eyesarethestory. There are bugs partying on your eyelashes. You know, every time you apply mascara, with this wand, you're introducing the bugs from your lashes onto this wand, which you then put inside that tube of dark, moist, wet, gooey food for those bugs. They're having a party. They're procreating. Then you put on more mascara. Back on those lashes, you're introducing more bugs. So the bugs meet, they party, they procreate. Yeah, that's kind of ugly. We don't want that many bugs on our lashes, and that's one reason why we created the Mascara Mini. Each box comes with 3 of these mini mascara, which altogether equal one big one. But you know something, when you have a mini, you use it up pretty quickly, kind of maybe 1 per week, 1 per month, depending on how often you use it. But it's great because you replace it quickly. So you can actually limit the number of bugs that you're introducing to the party.